everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a true super sport car, guys. It has 2 build sheets. It was a factory small block super sport that now has a pounding 427 underneath the hood. Factory 4-speed car, but again, original documented super sport car. Super clean car. Talk about just a riot to drive. Everybody's lining up to watch this video, man. I drove this car earlier today. This thing rocks, man. This has got a just healthy 427 cubic inch engine in it. It's a 454 block with a 396 crank, and it just gets it, guys. This thing just flies. So fun car to drive. Nice little history behind this car. This car was a factory Van Nuys, California built car. It was sold new in Colorado and immediately went to Arizona, which that's where it actually spent most of its life. A buddy of mine found it here local for me. It's just undergone a recent body up restoration. Color combination is factory. So Cortez silver, it's got the black SS hood stripes and deck stripes, and it also has the factory Deluxe black interior in it. Like I say, very nice car, all original body panels on it. A lot of your trim, this kind of stuff here is original. The bumpers are original, and you can nitpick them. But not very many miles on the car since the resto was done. He didn't know exactly how many miles, but he said, man, it's pretty fresh. He just figured 1,000, 1,500 miles on it. Again, if you're going to nitpick it, it does have the original bumpers, and they show a little wear. I saw a couple little touch-up marks as we walked around the car, but nice car, man. Really slick paint on it. Again, factory Cortez silver. I think it's a code 14. Very nice. Whoever painted the car did a nice job. Again, the trim in stainless. All this stuff is original. The one thing, and I will, and you can kind of see it, and my son will attest to this since he was out in Arizona for a year and a half. It's got the little stone pecks in the from the sand out in Arizona still. Cowl hood. Fun car to drive, guys. Man, I'm telling you, this is one of those cars that you know, you're laughing as you're shifting. I mean, it is a fun car to bang the gears. Factory 4-speed, it's a Muncie close ratio 4-speed trans. Oh, this is he put the 71 spoiler on it. He liked the 71 spoiler better. Same thing with the rear bumper. It's original, so it does show. Again, I'm not trying to pick the car apart and tell you the bumpers are terrible, but 90% of the people buy these cars sight unseen and through these videos. So, you know, I'm trying to show you anything that I see. Car's nice and flat down the sides. There's another car I actually bought from right there. It's a 95 Z28 convertible with 24,000 miles on it. BF Goodrich Radial TA is all the way around it. It's got 15-inch American Racing Torque Thrust Ds. Love the wheel and tire package on this car. It sits good. It's got good aggressive stance. A little bit bigger tire on the rear than on the front, so it's got that big and little look that I like. Correct exhaust tips. See, that's just a little dust, guys. Oh, it's a fun car, man. I'll tell you, man. I had a gold one this summer that cruised a little bit, took it to Woodward, and it was a blast. But I'll tell you what, this one's faster. You know, factory power front disc brakes. Yeah, you get 4th gear and hit this thing, and it's spinning the tires. Again, it's a 427 cubic inch. Guess we should put the air cleaner on the right way. Air cleaner's on backwards. It's a 454 cubic inch block with a 396 crank. That's a 427. It's got World Products heads on it, Holley dual feed 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock intake, HEI distributor, does have headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. Again, Muncie close ratio 4-speed manual trans. This car's cool, man. A lot of fun. Nice and tight too. Sometimes, well, it's got frame connectors. Sometimes these cars can get a little rattly. This one's nice, man. It doesn't rattle. I mean, it's nice and tight. We do have the wiper blades for it. Matter of fact, it's got the original wiper motor on it. It's gone bad. I've ordered a wiper motor for it. But we do have those wiper arms for it. He never put them on. He said, I don't drive my cars in the rain. You can see how nice this car is, though, man. Nice and tight. All original body panels. Let's say the sill plates are original. Bucket seats, console. It's got the factory Deluxe interior in it. Hurst shifter. It's got the wood grain package. It's got all the correct seat belts in it. 75,372. That's supposed to be the original miles on the body. Factory tach works. He's got some aftermarket gauges here. Radio, I didn't get to come on. I know the park brake works. It has Flowmaster dual exhaust on it with electric dumps, so those are fun. 12 bolt 373 limited slip rear end with the sway bar in the rear, which is another reason why it's nice and tight. Nice and clean. Here's a very clear build sheet, okay, and then this is the second one. That was actually a tank sticker. So it's kind of faded. Copy of the Arizona titles also in there. Again, all original body panels. It's all spackle painted in the trunk like it's supposed to be. That car's just got a good look to it, man. It sits real good. And you're coming down the road, just looks killer. Floors are nice and clean. I got some pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Yeah, whoever gets this car, man, is going to have a blast driving this thing. Seats are really nice. I'd say those are all new. I mean, they're definitely nice and comfortable. They've definitely replaced the padding in it. Dash is nice. Steering wheel's nice. I don't really see any brakes in it. Again, that's a 1980s radio. Console's nice. Even the console light in there works. Got Nathan fired up here. Everybody's lined up in the window to watch this thing go. Nice thing hits, man. Runs on pump gas. This car's got a real good look. Go ahead and open those dumps, Nathan. So if you want to wake the neighbors, tach works, speedo works, fuel gauge works. Again, the parking brake does work. The only thing I think, like I say, the radio doesn't work. The heat is not hooked up either. Oh, this car's bad, man. Again, no on the radio, temp gauges down here along with your oil pressure gauge. Wipers, we've ordered a new wiper motor for it. Horn works, I know the horn does work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you can do that by clicking that little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. That's what happens when we got a fast car. Everybody starts coming out. That car has got a good look. Have a great day, guys.